I am Liana Blair. Welcome to Golden Travel Tour video channel. If you're planning a holiday, then Paris is the best place to visit. Our 6-day itinerary captures the City of Light, from the iconic Eiffel Tower to the charm of Montmartre. Best visited in late spring or early fall, you can immerse yourself in world-class art at the Louvre. Indulge in legendary gastronomy like macarons from La Durie and experience the historical opulence of Versailles. It's the perfect balance of landmark sightseeing and local culinary experiences for your dream holiday. Subscribe to our channel and tap on notification icon. 5-star hotels here cost around €400 to €500 per night. Yes, 5-star hotels in Paris are quite expensive, but if you're looking for a standard hotel in Paris that can comfortably accommodate a family, you can easily find one for €100 to €150, or even cheaper. If you're alone, a student, or traveling to Paris with friends, you can easily find student hostels, homestays, or Airbnb studios in Paris, which will cost you around €40 to €50 per night. We've compiled a list of Paris attractions and displayed their entry ticket prices directly on your screen. You can check out the entry tickets to all these Oscar venues. Planning a trip to Paris? Sightsee the smart way with the Paris Pass. Get easy entry to over 50 major attractions and museums, including the iconic Louvre and the historic Palace of Versailles. Skip the long ticket lines. Many popular spots offer fast-track entry, so you spend more time exploring and less time waiting. Enjoy a stress-free trip with hop-on, hop-off buses and scenic river cruises, all included in one pass. Save up to 50% compared to buying separate tickets. It's the ultimate value for your Parisian adventure. Choose the duration that works for your trip and flex the city around your schedule with everything on your phone. And for a limited time, save an extra 25% on all child passes with the promo code SPRING. Finding the right travel package is tough, so I've shared links to my top selected websites in the description below. These websites give you a perfect package plan with great offers. You can get their links from the video's description. Stroll along the Seine River or explore the artistic treasures within the Louvre Museum. Here is your ultimate 6-day Paris itinerary. Day 1, start at the Eiffel Tower. Grab a classic crepe and cruise the Seine at sunset. Day 2, dive into art at the Louvre and walk the Champs-Élysées for legendary macarons at La Durie. Day 3, explore the medieval roots of Notre-Dame and get a savory galette in the Latin Quarter. Day 4, take a day trip to the Palace of Versailles for royal opulence and world-famous hot chocolate. Day 5, climb up to Montmartre for breathtaking views and enjoy a cozy hillside bistro meal. Day 6, finish with impressionist art at Musée d'Orsay and a legendary falafel in Le Marais. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, share the video with your family and friends, and also like it. If you have any questions, leave us a comment and we'll be back with another tour video.